Africa, a continent teeming with life. From the vast plains of the Savanna to the lush rainforests, it's a land where evolution has painted a masterpiece of diversity. Here, amongst the acacia trees and watering holes, unfolds an eternal drama. A delicate balance of predator and prey, locked in an age-old dance of survival. Join us as we journey into the heart of Africa to witness some of the most incredible wildlife moments ever captured. Host Media Group, host standing in front of African landscape, host walking through African wilderness, host introducing the wilderness at its stock at a distribute underscore equally. Welcome to the untamed wilderness of Africa, where every moment is a story of survival. In this video, we'll dive into some of the most incredible wildlife moments ever caught on camera. Get ready to witness raw nature at its finest. Here in this land of scorching sun and sudden storms, life hangs in the balance. Every creature, great and small, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of existence. From the majestic lion, ruler of the plains, to the tiniest dung beetle toiling beneath the midday sun, each plays its part in this grand orchestra of life. Come with me now as we explore the breathtaking spectacles that unfold in this untamed wilderness. The wind whispers through the tall grasses, carrying with it the scent of prey. A lioness, eyes gleaming with primal hunger, stalks her quarry. With the stealth of a seasoned hunter, she moves through the golden light, her powerful muscles rippling beneath her tawny coat. A family of warthogs, blissfully unaware of the danger lurking nearby, forages for roots, but their peaceful existence is about to be shattered. We journey now to the realm of giants, where elephants, the architects of the Savanna, roam. These magnificent creatures, with their ancient wisdom etched upon their wrinkled hides, command respect, but sometimes curiosity can lead to unintended consequences. A group of tourists eager to witness these gentle giants up close stray a little too close for comfort.
Whoa, look at the size of that elephant. It's incredible, but maybe we should back up a bit. Host. Sometimes the line between admiration and intrusion can become dangerously thin. Let's see what happens when curiosity gets the better of caution.
Chapter 4.
Few sights in nature are as thrilling as a hunt by a pack of African wild dogs.
These highly social creatures, with their mottled coats and boundless energy, are the epitome of teamwork.
Their communication, a complex tapestry of barks, whistles, and whines, echoes across the savannah as they strategize their next move.
With lightning speed and unwavering determination, they pursue their prey, their lean bodies cutting through the tall grass like living scythes.
Chapter 5. Crocodile and Snake, the River Clash. In the murky depths of Africa's rivers, a different kind of drama unfolds. Here, beneath the surface, lurks a world of ancient reptiles, locked in an eternal struggle for dominance. A crocodile, its prehistoric form unchanged for millennia, lies in wait, its eyes just above the waterline. Suddenly, a ripple disturbs the stillness. A massive python, its scales glinting in the dappled sunlight, slithers towards the water's edge. Chapter 6. Giraffes and Zebras. Harmony on the Savanna. But it's not all about tooth and claw on the African savanna. Sometimes amidst the struggle for survival, we witness moments of unexpected harmony. Giraffes, the tallest of all land mammals, browse peacefully on the leaves of acacia trees, their long necks reaching for the heavens. Below them, a herd of zebras, their stripes a dazzling display of nature's artistry, grazes on the lush grasses. Chapter 7. Why these moments matter. As we've witnessed, the African wild is a place of constant wonder, a tapestry woven from the threads of life and death, beauty and brutality. But these precious moments, captured on film, serve as a stark reminder. For the wild heart of Africa beats ever more faintly, threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and the insatiable greed of poachers. Hutro protect Africa's wildlife. Africa, a land of breathtaking beauty, unyielding spirit, and unparalleled biodiversity. But the future of this wild paradise hangs in the balance. Let us pledge to protect these magnificent creatures, to be their voice in a world that too often turns a deaf ear. For in their survival lies our own. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Africa's wild side. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with fellow nature lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. And tell us in the comments which moment took your breath away. Let's celebrate and protect the wild together.